Match overall, you know, because I know Adam for years and he played very good tennis every time and he's consistent with his game, so it's just, you know, pure luck today. Pure luck today that for me too.
Well, I think it was more than luck. I saw you hit some really good shots, especially that one you scoop up the line on the forehand side. You know, I think at what, 8-7 or something like that.
8-7, yeah.
Right. You have any idea who you may play next?
I think it's Matthew Rodriguez. That's how much I'm looking forward to. So.
You played him before, right?
Yes, I played him twice before. So definitely looking forward to this one, I guess.
Up 5-4 in the second, had my chances, but couldn't convert. So it went to the 10-point tiebreak, and then it was close, I think, up to 6-all, and then he took it from there. But pretty much both. Couldn't go almost start cramp and things, so I couldn't really go no more.
First set was went fairly quickly. The second set, though, a lot of games went to deuce, which means it was very competitive. And I have to tell you, that gentleman, Mr. Nemad, 1 year ago, could barely hold a racket. To see him come out here a year later is a testimony to constant tennis, constant amateur series, people improving all the time. You can't take anybody for granted. So it's really good to see. And it was fun.
Boy, I just couldn't hold the nerves. The whole of the first set, I think, really messed me up because the nerves just messed me up completely. The second game, that's when I actually started getting into it, and we actually went to deuce on every single game, and that's how I knew I was playing a lot better in the second. But you know, Ian took it. He was a better player today for sure. I definitely give him props.
Tough match. Look how much shirts I got through. 4 or 5 different shirts. Burnett run me, but it was good. Won the first set, 6-4. Went up 3-love in the second set. Tried to come back. I think I came back 3-2 and then he ran away with it 6-2. But had to dig deep in the tiebreaker.
You know, coming out, I was a little bit nervous. You know, dropped my serve many times. We broke each other's serve many times in the first set, and he eventually won it 6-4. And then I had to just dig deep. I was thinking about Novak and Rafa, those guys. I had to believe in myself, and I just got a head start in the second set, and I held on to it to win it 6-2. And it was a very tight third, super tie break, 10-8. You know, it could have gone either way, but kudos to my opponent. He played well tonight.